Alright, Sam.
Alright, it's Sam and Laura here and our cabin mates.
Hello.
We're at Camp Cabell.
Cabin mate.
Hey. Cabin mate.
And there's this creepy thing out in the woods that looks like a man peeing on a tree or dragging something, and it's freaking us out.
I wanted to pee on a tree.
It's honestly scaring me.
And peeing and the dragon are two different things.
Yeah, there's like a tree with a whole bunch of roots on it, and it looks like a dragon staring at you, and if you stare at it really close, it kind of looks like it's nodding its head.
Like there's a guy.
And then it looks like there's two guys standing by a tree peeing, and then like it's making me scared because it makes me think like someone's gonna come out the window and like pop out at me.
Like they say,
That's what this
Here's
is.
this wood pile. It's like a man in a hoodie facing away from us, and it's seriously freaking me the frick out.
Yeah, I know, doesn't it?
You want to lock our door?
Yeah, lock it. I don't care if she...
Something. Sam, give me the camera.
It looks
That way
like
they can
that
hear me
earlier
better.
when the lights were on.
Sam.
You could tell it was.
Okay, I locked it.
Give me the camera.
Wait, we just pushed the button to lock it, right?
Okay. So people, you're looking at my face right now, even though you can't see it. I know it's like really, really dark. But like, this is freaking me out because the man is out there. You can't see anything, can you? Maybe a couple dots.
I think she probably had to like...
Creeping me out, and it's freaky, and it looks like a man, and like then Sam's reflection came up on it. It looks like he was like running towards us. Oh, look at there's people with a light over there.
Can you get Jara's...
Oh my goodness.
What?
Sam's looking out the window.
That man thing is creeping me out. Same with that
I know.
dragon. And then
It's
the
like
wind is
messed
blowing out
up.
there, so it's blowing the tall grass, and it makes me think like something's crawling towards
It reminds me of marble hornets.
No, give it to me.
So anyways, if you guys know what marble hornets is, look it up on YouTube. It's really creepy. So anyways, this is like really freaking us out, and it's like it's 1:36 in the morning. So special.
36.
Okay, so
Totally not it.
so it's really, really, really freaky.
Danny's is...
We'll see you guys later.
Oh, Danny's...
Say bye, Sam, even though they can't see ya.
Yeah, even though we can't.